Welcome students of class 10, session number 1 of chapter number 6, triangles. So in the last standard, last class, you also learned the triangles related with the congruent triangles, concept of the congruent triangles. So which triangles are called as congruent triangles? If the two triangles having same shape and same size, means they should have the same angles, equal angles and equal sides, then two triangles are called as congruent triangles. Now here in this chapter we are going to learn the two similar triangles. Which triangles are called as similar triangles? So before going to the similar triangles, we are going to see two more concepts, that similar figures and similar polygons. So what is the difference between congruency and similarity? In short, I am saying, I am telling you the difference between these two. The two figures are called as congruent if they are having same shape and same size. Shape should be same and size should be same, then it is called as congruent figures. And which two figures are called as similar figures? If the figures they are having only same shape, the size may be same or may not be same. Size doesn't matter. What it matters, only shape matters. The two figures having same shape, we can say that these two figures are called as similar figures. Okay, we will see the examples on it. Okay, similar figures. Okay, see, these are the three circles. Four circles are there. First circle here. Okay, first, this is second, third and fourth. These four circles, they are similar to each other because of they are having same shape, but they are in different size. Size of first, second, third and fourth is different. Doesn't matter whatever be the size, it matters only shapes. Okay, so these four circles are the similar circles. Okay, here squares, again four squares are there, 1 2 3 and 4. These four squares having the same shape but different size, so they are similar figures. These are the similar figures. Okay, see the triangles, these triangles are the equilateral triangles. I am talking about specially equilateral triangle. Okay, so again the four triangles are there, triangle number 1 2 3 and 4. These are the four triangles. So they are having same shape but they are having different size, so these triangles are called as similar triangles. So all equilateral triangles are similar with each other, all squares are similar with each other, all circles are similar with each other. So can you say that all quadrilaterals are similar? No, not all quadrilaterals, because of their shapes are not same. Square and rectangle different shapes, square and kite different shapes, isn't it? So if they are having different shapes, they are not similar. Okay, now consider now consider this, these two quadrilaterals. These two quadrilaterals are also similar with each other because of they are looking same, but their size is different one. Their shapes are same, size is different one. Okay, so what we can say? See here. See the definition. All congruent figures are similar, but similar figures need not be congruent. Congruent one, they are similar, but all similar figures, they are not congruent. Okay, see here is the picture of Taj Mahal. So three pictures are there, Taj Mahal. First one, this is second and this is third one. So their shape, they are having same shape, their size, they are in different in size. So these figures these three figures, they are similar but they are not congruent. Why they are similar? Because of their shape is same, size is different. And why they are not congruent? For congruency, it requires shape and size should be same. Their shape is same, but size is different. So these three figures, they are similar, but they are not congruent. Keep in mind. Okay. So here we'll see the definition of the polygon. What is the definition? See here, I'll highlight. What is the definition? See the definition. Two polygons of the same shape, this. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Two polygons said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal, and their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same proportion. This is a definition. So when we can say that okay, leave it. Two polygons are called as a similar one if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Corresponding angles are equal means what? Two figures are there. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and all the angles should be equal. And their sides are in same ratio means they need not to be equal. Same ratio means what? In the proportion, in the multiple of. Suppose first figure is having a side 2 centimeter, the second figure is having a side 6 centimeter. So can we say that we can say that the second figure's side is triple as the first one. 6 is triple as 2. So like this, their ratio is 1 by 3. 2 upon 6, 1 by 3. So this ratio should be continue with all other sides. This ratio should continue with all other sides. We'll check the example and we'll try to understand. Okay, consider these two quadrilaterals. See, these are the two quadrilaterals. Okay, so ABCD is the first quadrilateral and PQRS is the second quadrilateral. This is the first one and this is second quadrilateral. Compare these two. So here angle A is 105, angle P is 105, B is 100, Q is 100, C is 70, R is 70, D is 85, S is 85. So can we say that from these two quadrilaterals angles are equal? Now we'll compare their sides. So AB is equal to 1.5, PQ is equal to 3.0. Means PQ is double as AB because of 3 is double as 1.5. Okay, so here BC is 2.5 and QR is 5.0. So QR is double to BC. Yes. Then CD 2.4 and RS 4.8. RS is double as CD. Then AD 2.1 and PS 4.2. So PS is double as AD. So can we say that the sides of PQRS are the double as the sides of ABCD, isn't it? So their ratio will be AB as to PQ is equal to 1.5 upon 3, means what? 1/2. AB as to PQ 1/2, BC as to QR 1/2, CD as to RS 1/2, and AD as to PS also 1/2. So we can say that their angles are equal as well as their sides are in the same ratio. That's why the figure 1, that is polygon 1 and polygon 2, these two polygons are similar with each other. They are not congruent. Why they are not congruent? Even their angles are equal, they are not congruent because their sides are not equal. Sides are not equal, but they are in same ratio. That's why these two figures are not congruent, but these two figures are similar with each other. Okay, now consider this example, this second example. Okay, two squares are there. Two squares are there. So we will see here. This is the first square and this is the second square. Check their angles. All angles are equal 90 degree, A 90, P 90, B 90, Q 90, C 90, R 90, D 90 degree, S 90 degree, means angles are equal. B is equal to Q, C is equal to R, D is equal to S. Angles are equal. Okay, one condition is not sufficient one. We have to check the other condition also. Their sides are in same ratio or not. See here, AB is equal to 3 centimeter. AB is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, so PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeter. PQ, it is the second one is not square, second one is a rectangle. Second one is rectangle. So this is 3 centimeter, this is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, BC is 3 centimeter and QR is 3 centimeter. So if you observe, the ratio of AB upon PQ is 3 upon 3.5, whereas the ratio of BC and QR is 3 upon 3, that is 1 by 1. So here ratio is different. Ratio is different. AB upon PQ is equal to 3 upon 3.5, whereas BC upon QR is equal to 1:1. So that's why ratio is different. Even their angles are equal, their sides are also in not same ratio. So that's why the these two are not similar figure. These two are the similar, but these two are not similar figures. Now we will see the definition of the polygon. What is the definition of the polygon? Here the two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if all corresponding angles are equal. This is the first condition. All the angles should be equal. And what is the second condition? All corresponding sides are in the same ratio. All corresponding sides should be in the same ratio. Okay, this is the definition of the polygon. Okay, see these two figures. Again, one more example we will see. See these two figures. Okay, this is the first one and this is the second one. They are having same shape? No. Why not? Because of angle A 90 degree, angle P not 90 degree, angle B 90 degree, angle Q is also not 90 degree. So here only you can say that these two figures are not similar. Even though if you observe here, what you can observe here, see here, if you observe that their sides AB 2.1, PQ 4.2. So PQ is double as AB, BC 2.1, QR 4.2, CD 2.1, then RS 4.2, and this is AD 2.1, PS is also 4.2. Their sides are in same ratio, but their angles are not equal. So either of the condition is a fail, we can say that the triangles are the two polygons are not similar. If first condition fail or second condition fail. Okay, so if both the conditions satisfied, angles are same and sides are in same ratio, then and then they will be similar, otherwise they will be not similar. So here the figure number 1 and figure number 2 are not similar. Why they are not similar? Because of their angles are not equal. Now we are going to see the exercise 6.1. Fill in the blanks using the correct word given in brackets. All circles are congruent. All circles are congruent? Yes, now only we saw all circles are congruent. All circles are congruent? No. Sorry. All circles are not congruent. They are congruent or similar? All circles are similar, not congruent. All circles are similar. All squares are again similar. All squares are similar. All squares are not congruent because of they may have the different sides. The third one, all dash dash triangles are similar. Isosceles triangles or equilateral triangles? Only equilateral triangles. All equilateral triangles are similar, not isosceles triangles. Because of isosceles triangles, they are having two different sides. Two sides are same, but the third side is different one. So that's why they are not similar. but equilateral triangles, they are similar. Okay, now here is the definition. What is the definition? See here, the two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles should be equal, and their corresponding sides are in proportional, or we can say that in same ratio. Okay, here here you have to give the two different examples of pair of similar figures. So similar figures, which examples you can take similar figures? Two circles are similar, two squares are similar, two equilateral triangles are similar. Like this you can give the two examples of it. And this is for similar. And second one is non-similar figures. Which two figures are called as non-similar one? You can take one equilateral triangle and another one is isosceles triangles. They are non-similar figures. Or you can take one square and second one is kite. Square and kite, they are non-similar figures. You can take the examples. Okay, so here here state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. How you can identify they are similar or not? See, for similarity, their angles should be equal and their sides should be in the same ratio. So very first thing, check their angles. Angle P is equal to angle A. No, angle A is 90, P is not 90. B is equal to 90, Q is not 90. C is equal to 90, R is not 90. D is equal to 90, S is not 90. So their angles are not equal. Here only we can say that the two quadrilaterals are not similar quadrilaterals. Even though if you observe their sides are in same ratio. PQ is 1.53, 1.53, 1.53, 1.53. Their sides are in same ratio, and that ratio is 1:2, but their angles are not equal. Hence we can say that these two quadrilaterals are not similar one. Now similarity of triangles. So what is the similarity of triangles? Same way, same definition of polygon. When two polygons are called as a similar one, if their angles are equal and their sides are in same ratio. Same definition is there. Same definition. When two triangles are called as similar triangles, the triangles are similar when we can say their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or in the same proportion. Same definition of polygon. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. This is the definition of similarity of triangles. So on this topic we are going to see all the exercises here onwards. Okay, so after this we are going to learn the very important theorem. That theorem is basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem, or it is also called as a Thales theorem. Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. This theorem we are going to learn. Its proof we are going to learn in the next session. The theorem is very important by the board exam point of view. So this theorem is not excluded from the syllabus. This theorem is important theorem, so that's why it is kept for the proof. So how we can prove what is the Thales theorem, its statement and proof we are going to see in the next session. Thank you.